Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging. This prevents short circuits and keeps ports safe. Lay the screen face down on a soft towel so the panel won't scratch. Once done, remove all cables and the small cable cover or trim on the back. Make sure you can access the stand mounting area. This is where you'll begin loosening screws or pressing the release tab to free the lower neck from the monitor. You need to support the monitor as you work to avoid stress on the panel. One hand under the center is enough. Then, locate and remove the visible screws or press the plastic release button. Samsung uses both methods depending on model. Once screws are out, slide the neck straight down or away as guided. If a VESA adapter is fitted, unbolt that first so the neck can come free without binding. Keep hardware organized for reassembly. You're finishing by sliding the remaining neck or base off the monitor and placing screws in a labeled bag so nothing gets lost. Then snap the cable cover or VESA plate back on to protect ports. This keeps the monitor ready for wall mount or storage. If the stand won't budge, inspect for hidden screws under rubber feet or a small cap. Use a plastic pry tool, not metal, and don't force it to prevent cracking the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.